Hi guys, it's so good to have you back. Welcome to this interesting session where we get to learn tips and tricks on how to take care of our hair. So in today's video, I am going to share with you maintenance tips on how to take care of your natural twist hair extension.
Let's go. I'ma keep winning until the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning until the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning until the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning until the world stops. Independent women, let's go. Keep it up for me, come on. Winning until the world stops spinning.
I know that a lot of ladies just leave their hair once they are done braiding because they feel that twists, braids and all of those styles are low manipulative styles, so they don't necessarily need to stress themselves taking care of it. But taking care of your hair is of utmost importance because it helps the hair stay longer, it lasts longer, and it helps you to slay daily. Because if your hair is on point, you just keep slaying as the day goes by. So here are 4 tips on how to take care of your natural twists. Tip number 1. Pick with your fingers instead of using a brush. This is the paddle brush, and most people make the mistake of using paddle brush on their kinky hair, which is not right. You need to just pick it with your hands, pick it with your fingers. It makes the hair look fuller. Imagine you trying to brush your own natural kinky hair. It's going to tangle up and then it would break, it's painful too. So your extensions cry, of course they do. Okay, so the next tip is that you should use all-shin hairspray when the hair starts getting dull. Just use all-shin hairspray on your hair, spray it once in a while. Not every day, you don't want your hair to be dripping with oil, Just spray it once in a while, maybe once or twice in a week, that works. The third tip is for you to wear a satin bonnet at night. We sometimes just sleep. Your hair undergoes daily wear and tear. If you do not cover it up, it is going to get rough fast, it's going to look old faster. Imagine you sitting on a couch and you're rubbing your head against the couch, or you're just sitting on a chair and rubbing your head against the wall. It's going to make your hair get rough faster. And then when you sleep at night and you're using a cotton pillowcase, your hair rubs off on it and it makes it, just get rough easily. So it's important to protect it. This is how I wear my bonnet at night. Have one here. I just put it over, tuck the hair in, just ensure that it goes right in there. This hair is big, yeah, but my bonnet has the ability to take in everything very well. Right. So I just tucked it in. It's just a few people that get to see me like this, because when you tuck all the hair in, the glam is gone. So I just tuck it in this way and I go to bed and my hair is protected. The next tip is to moisturize your hair and scalp. Yeah, you have your natural twist in with crochet just like mine. What you need to do is just to ensure that your scalp isn't drying out or flaky easily. So I use Mega Growth oil. This is anti-breakage oil. This is just what I use. What I do is to ensure that I take a little amount of it, just like this. Take a little amount of it and then rub it on my scalp, Just rub it right there on my scalp. Just along the lines of the cornrow, So I do that once in 3 days to ensure that my scalp stays moisturized and my hair also stays moisturized. That's what I do to ensure that my natural twist hair extension stays durable. I wear it for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and it still looks nice. So the Darling Natural Twist is my newfound love. I did a video earlier on how to know the best natural kinky hair extension in the market, and Natural Twist is a perfect example. In that video, I talked about the texture, I talked about the curl pattern, I talked about the volume of the hair, the bounce, things you need to know to identify the best skincare extension in the market, of which natural twist is a perfect example. If you haven't seen that video, I'd like you to quickly go watch that video right away. I hope you learned a lot in this video. I want you to share this video with your friends. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Thanks and see you in my next video.